During the July school holidays, the Understanding Faith team completed the mid-year update. Keep watching to learn about some of the main changes in this update and how to use them. Let's take a look at which units were updated. Updates include enhancing interactive activities and slideshows, updating images, ensuring content is up to date, adding current multimedia items such as new videos, newspaper articles, and podcasts, creating additional learning activities to accompany these, and any new features the team has been working on throughout the year, the most recent being the teacher unpacking the scriptures exegesis. In primary, full updates have been made to units 48 to 51, and in secondary, full updates have been made to units 44 to 46. In addition to the content changes, we have made a few design changes. Being able to view all units at the same time was one of the comments made in the annual teacher feedback survey. You'll notice that wherever you are in the Understanding Faith resource, you can now see all units in this handy drop-down menu. You can access it both from the top of the page and the bottom of the page. Filter the units by name such as wholeness and healing, by themes such as sacraments, or by package such as studies of religion. Finally, we have added a bottom banner with helpful links. Let's go over the multimedia and scripture index search tools now. I bet you didn't know finding scripture passages could be this easy. Time to master the scripture passage index filter. So you've got the Understanding Faith resource. But where's that perfect scripture passage? No worries. The scripture passage index filter has got your back. First, filter by stage levels. For primary schools, that's kindergarten to stage 3. And for secondary schools, it's stage 4 to stage 6. Simple, right? Next, let's talk about unit numbers. Primary school units range from 1 to 57. Secondary school units range from 0 to 64. Just plug in your number and you're golden. Now, if you're searching for something specific, like Matthew, Genesis, or Isaiah, use the scripture reference filter. Our tip is to type in the book and chapter, and boom, done. Lastly, if you're looking for exact words from a passage, use the passage filter. Type in those keywords and watch the magic happen. With these filters, finding the right scripture is a breeze. Click on the location link for your desired scripture passage, and you're all set. Happy studying. Now, what if you're trying to find that perfect multimedia element for your students? We've got you covered with that too. Let's dive into the Multimedia Index search. This nifty tool helps you find exactly what you're looking for. First, you can filter by multimedia type. You've got options like interactive activities, slideshows, videos, and podcasts. Just select the one you need. Next, filter by stage level. If you're in primary school, that's between kindergarten and stage 3. For secondary school, it's stages 4 to 6. Easy, right? Now, let's narrow it down even more. Filter by unit number. For primary, select from 1 to 57. For secondary, it's 0 to 64. Simple. Still not finding it? Use the name or title filter. If it's something you've used before, but can't remember where it's located, type in the exact title. If you have a theme in mind, such as Moses, type that in and voila. Once you've set your filters, your results will be narrowed down. Click the location link and you're there. Finding the right multimedia has never been easier with the Multimedia Index search. Try it out today to save you some time in the classroom. Do you have questions or want to give us feedback? Access our website to find out how to contact us, or our free resources link to follow Understanding Faith on social media platforms. Thanks for watching.